I'm Jeff at Emigh Ace Hardware of Sacramento, and I'm going to go over some of the fire safety items that we keep in stock. So we're going to talk about smoke detectors. Smoke detectors should be placed in every area of the house where people sleep. Along with that, you should also have a carbon monoxide smoke detector placed in the hallways leading to where those sleeping areas are. In large homes, we also recommend that you have more smoke alarms in areas such as living rooms, family rooms, things like that. It's also recommended that you keep your smoke alarms at least 10 feet away from any place where you cook, or else you'll end up with several false alarms. When it comes to maintenance for smoke alarms, we recommend testing the alarms once a month. Along with testing the alarm, you should also clean the surface area free of any debris. Another thing about the smoke detectors is nowadays they have 10-year lifespan. That's it. So if yours is older than 10 years, it's time to replace them. Come down and see us and get a replacement. When you do install them, there's a place for you to put the date on them. That way you know what date you installed them, and in the future you'll know when the 10 years is up. One more thing we're going to talk about is fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers, we recommend the ABC, which covers both your wood, paper, normal fuel type fires, as well as your liquid fires, gas and grease, and also electrical fires. Fire extinguishers, if they are not in the green area, as you can see this one is here, then they're not charged properly. You need to replace them. So we have a couple different sizes of fire extinguishers to use around your house and also in your vehicles. We got one here that's for recreational. You could throw one in your car, doesn't hurt, or for those of you that camp, trailer. We also have smaller size for the kitchen, perfect for the kitchen. So come on down to Emigh Ace Hardware of Sacramento and we can help you with any of your fire safety needs that you have.